So we've just finished a hugely impactful and engaging event with Dubai Airport's Youth Council. They wanted to bring the DA youth, a lot of new members coming together, and what they were looking for as part of a full day was an engaging team activity that could really bring that event to life. And it was all about fostering collaboration and communication amongst those new members, collecting ideas, so amplifying the voices of young, talented individuals and fostering their belief that they can be the leaders of the future. So we ran the Need for Speed team building event. It's a highly engaging, collaborative event. Check out this video so you can see what they did.
I loved the event. The energy was very lively. I had so much fun. I got to meet new people and we won.
And I really had fun. We had some team bonding events. And look, I got a medal as well. I hope we get more things like this, in the near future as well.
It was amazing. The performance was amazing. The motivation was amazing. The support was always there. Thank you so much for being here.